Today on Whistle Out TV, I'm showing you how to delete your Netflix history. Let's get to it. To delete your Netflix history, you cannot do it through the app on your phone. You have to do it through a web browser. You can do that on either a laptop or your cell phone through a web browser. I'm going to show you on a laptop. What you need to do is go to your little picture icon in the top right-hand corner. Click on the account option when that pops up. Then you're going to want to scroll down to the profile that you want to delete the history from, and to delete history you have to do it one by one. I am going to use the Braden profile. So now that we're in here, I'm going to scroll down and go to viewing activity right here. You just have to click view. Once you're here, you will see a list of all the shows that have been watched on this profile for as far back as you want, but now I'm going to show you how to delete them. So we're going to delete this top one, Schitt's Creek Season 3, Room by the Hour. I'm going to say hide series. So now this whole series, wherever it has been watched in your history, will be deleted, and this will happen in the next 24 hours. Now, if you just want to do it to a specific show, so we're gonna go to knock down the house and hide from viewing history, and since this wasn't a series, it was just a singular show, only this show will be blocked. Knock down the house, and again, those updates will appear within 24 hours. And that is how you delete your history in Netflix one by one. Thanks for watching Whistle Out TV. I hope this how-to tutorial was helpful. Subscribe if you want even more how-to tutorials coming your way. I'm Sherry Riggs. Thanks for watching.